glad that's going to be Grumpy's. Or is that going to be yours, Annie? Oh my god, it's quite thick as well. God. Well, that's what usually.
I think I could cooking and cooking puddings. You can't really go wrong with taste. You can go wrong with looks, but something's got plenty of sugar in it. Always works.
It's quite thick as well. That's more like an omelette.
It didn't get, but I poured it. It wouldn't go anywhere else.
Yeah, look at that. That's more like an omelette. Never mind. That's Grumpy's. He does
maybe some little ones. Don't
dash me, Grumpy. Don't dash me.
Can you make your mum some little ones?
Yeah. Oh, don't touch. It's hot. It's all hot. It's all hot. And we have got... What are we going to have, Annie? We're having Nutella. Nutella. And we've got syrup and lemon juice and sugar. No, I do like big ones like that. That's actually quite thin. Thick, I mean.
Yeah, we need more water. So
no, we don't, love.
We do, because then it's spread out enough.
No, it doesn't, love. It's because you had it like swimming in the fat.
No.
Yeah, no, that's like an omelette.
I will see.
When you try and turn that in a minute, that's going to be... Look at it. Oh my God, just get it everywhere. Yeah, Annie, shake your heads. Stand back. Stand well back. Stand well back.
Lovely.
This is Mum's. Get ready. Get ready, Annie. Whoa! Yay! Grumpy did it! Woo! Look at Mummy's. Yes, and yours. So, this is what we used. It's just £1 from up the shop. So, sugar.
Sugar.
Bit of demerara sugar because it's nice and crunchy. Bit of natural lemon juice.
Okay, lemon juice is lovely. Obviously soak some sugar in.
And syrup.
Just a sugar. There you are, you're perfect.
Yum,
pancake.
yum, yum, yum. Yummy, yummy. And he's having a first bit of our pancake. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. In your tum, 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 tum.